Hi, my name's Adam Flynn from Biggin and Scott Real Estate here in the City of Knox. Thank you for your inquiry on this property. If you have any questions on this property or any of the properties we currently have on the market, please feel free to give me a call on 0423 694 755. Thank you for your inquiry and have a fantastic day.
In a prize location close to all amenities, including schools, shops, transport, Eastlink and restaurants, is this truly remarkable development opportunity, a must-see for astute buyers, builders, developers or investors. Both properties are very well presented and comprise good functional floor plans. One is currently tenanted and both dwellings represent approximately 1,480 square metres of prime blue chip real estate close to the Ferntree Gully active zone. With Ferntree Gully being one of the fastest growing capital growth pockets in Melbourne, this rare opportunity won't last long. Offering 2 adjoining properties on 2 titles, this is truly a must-see. Inspection, we assure you, will not disappoint. At Biggin and Scott Knox, we deliver.